Hi beautifuls, welcome back to my car and my channel. If you're new here, my name is Katana Prokosh, owner and designer of Zozobi Competition Suits, Battleborn Bikinis. Day 2 on the flooring. They didn't get much done. He didn't have much help, so he was by himself, and he left to work on another job, and he said he'd be back. So I was hoping that all this could be torn up by today. This is pretty much what he did today, and my YouTube studio, yeah. That's day 2. Day 3 of the flooring, and they got it all out. Dump run, I guess, tomorrow. Look at that glue job. So amused. So exciting. So by Friday, today's Wednesday, we'll be hopefully picking out the flooring. Oh my God, that looks so gross. Picking out the flooring and getting that installed by next week. Let's hope. My flooring was done today. All the carpet's been ripped out. Friday, we start installing the hardwood laminate, whatever it's called. So we're on another day of flooring. I think this would be the 5th day because yesterday I was not here. And what they did is they took everything to the dump, all of the trash I had, all the carpet, and today we went and got flooring. So here's some flooring here and some flooring right here. There's flooring here too. So got a bunch of flooring. Funniest story is they are renting it to me, this location, for they said it was 1,834 square feet. I measured it. I put it into a AutoCAD program to kind of like interior design so I could see where I'm gonna put my desks and everything. And each room I put the measurements in, and it kept going over 2,000. And so I kept marking the total square footage to the 1,834, and it wasn't working. And I was like really getting frustrated that I couldn't keep my rooms the size that I had measured under the measurements that or the square footage that they'd given me. So when I had my 2 flooring quotes, the one guy didn't measure. He just quoted me what his labor would be. The other guy actually measured, and he measured almost 2,000 square feet. He measured like 19 something. Is this, oh, it's like flashing. It was flashing at me because it says I only have 57 seconds to record because my storage space is running out, you guys. Oh, my cute shirt, oh, my super cute shirt. So yeah, I'm gonna have to delete some storage space and then get back on here and tell you guys the rest of the flooring information. Yeah, it's bigger than I thought, and I'm getting a fucking bargain. I'm getting a steal for the space and what they're charging me. So that's awesome. Super awesome. It's almost turns out to be like 68 cents a square foot for what they're charging me, and I thought I was gonna be getting like $1 a square foot is what we had worked out. So kind of cool, kind of cool. So I decided we're gonna take down this wall and not use it as a fitting room. Sadly, enough. That's why this was like a selling point. But I'm gonna make this area larger and make it for my kids, a little kids room. So oh, it's festive as fuck. Look at that. So festive. They're such cute leggings. Good morning. Okay, so this is still continuation from the flooring, but we are now one day post Christmas, so it is December 26th. I've not been in here for 3 days, so I know he worked the days leading up to Christmas. He even worked Christmas Eve, he said, or he told me he was going to, but I don't know. I'm outside right now and I can't really see in, but I have hope that he got a lot done because I can't wait to move in. He knows now that my moving date is January 1st to move in. So as soon as I can do that, I would love to. And so let's go inside. Check this out. Oh my God, it looks so good. So, look at this flooring. Let me turn the camera around. Oh my gosh. So this whole room is done. The whole front of the office is done, you guys. This is so awesome. Fuck yeah. Fuck yeah. They moved, obviously, some stuff over here. My benches. I had to cover them because they kept using them. It's gorgeous. Gorgeous flooring. Okay, but I mean, that's pretty cool. It's not, I would say it's a third. Wait, why does that flooring look different right there? Why does this flooring right here look different? Like, oh, you know what it is? It's the exact same. See, it's the same piece. It's the same piece as this one right here. And the same piece. Okay. So somehow they ended up using like the same piece in a row. And you can totally see it. That sucks. Well, hopefully it's not completely noticeable once they're... It's so noticeable once I move stuff in here. But that's honestly like a hallway. It's going to be a hallway to this back room. So I don't know. Happy New Year's Day. Here checking on my floor because Slacky Slackerson. Today is the 1st of January and I asked for my floor to be done today. It is not. It's not done, you can see. But we do have progress from what it was before. Let's see. Yes, my YouTube studio is done. And let's see what we got going on. Nope, kitchen's not quite there. And we have this office that they started on. The light is not on. This is almost all the way done. So bathrooms, kitchen, and this hallway. Not together. A dirty floor. I bought vanities. So I got new vanities that his well is gonna have to put in, but like yeah, I got these fake plants. So I got 3 of them, and then I have 1 of my own I have not brought over here yet. Need to introduce them. Make sure they all like each other. And then the baseboards. But I'm starting to move in. Can't wait any longer. So I have to put in my 30-day notice that I'm not going to renew my lease. So I'm hoping, it's obviously, I'm leaving it better than how it was when I rented it. And literally I've got 30 days, 29 now, to move out. So I told him I have to start moving stuff in, and he said just to make sure that everything is 3 feet away from the wall so he could put the baseboards in. This pretty much concludes my flooring video. I'm not gonna do much more on the flooring. Next video would probably be just like moving in and organizing, because there's been so many transitions to this flooring because it has taken forever. And it's what it is. So I'm super excited. I'm just ready to be here. Just ready to be here. I'm ready to shoot in my studio, you guys. Like, the fact that I can say I have a YouTube studio is so freaking cool. Like, I don't know. I don't want to mess up the flooring before it's like done, but let's see. It looks so good. Looks so good in here. I love the lighting. I can do like so many different things in here. I had a photo shoot this morning, so this is why I'm wearing this outfit, because I was cold, but I didn't want, like, boots don't go with this outfit, and I just, no need to explain. So I think that concludes my flooring video, if you guys even freaking care. But you're here to see my face, so I'm here to talk about flooring and the annoyance. And yeah, I gotta go. Bye, guys.